square root of x plus 3 plus square root of x minus 2 equal to 5. Then find the value of x. X value find out. Solution. Given problem, square root x plus 3 square root x minus 2 equal to 5. Square root x plus 2 transfer right side. Square root x plus 3 plus transfer to right side minus 5 minus square root x minus 2. Both side squaring. Square root x plus 3 whole square 5 minus square root x minus 2 whole square. Square root a square equal to a. To square root to cancel. Same. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Root a square like that, root square cancel. X plus 3 equal to a minus b whole square a square minus 2a b square root x minus 2 b square root x minus 2 whole square. X plus 3 equal to 5 square 25 2 5 10 square root x minus 2 square root and square cancel x minus 2. X plus 3 equal to 25 minus 2 23 plus x minus 10 square root x minus 2. Both side equal terms cancel. X cancel. Minus 10 square root x minus 2 transfer left side plus 10 square root x minus 2 equal to 23 plus 3 right side transfer minus 3. 10 square root x minus 2 23 minus 3 20. 10 square root x minus 2 by 10 20 by 10 10 10 10 1 ja 10 2 ja square root x minus 2 equal to 2. Same both side squaring. 2 square. Square and root cancel. X minus 2 equal to 2 square 4. X equal to minus 2 transfer right side 2 plus 4. X equal to 6. So x equal to 6 answer.